I'm here with Miss Delicia Pompey.
Yes.
And Delicia, how are you today?
I'm well, I'm at peace, enjoying the expo.
Okay, so far how was the expo for you?
It has been really good. I learned a whole lot. This is a place where I come to try my best to see what Guyana has to offer.
So I have one question for you tonight. What's your advice to the Guyanese population? Since we are going to this election period on September 1st, everyone are going to the polls. So what's your advice to the Guyanese nation?
Alright, my one piece of advice would be for us to really realize that, hey, you know what, let us do what we do out of love. Let us also realize that, hey, at the end of the day, we still have to be neighbors with our people. We need to understand that we are one people, one nation, one destiny, and don't let race, don't let politics, don't let anything divide us. We are all together in this, and let us stay together. Yeah.
So thank you, Delicia.
You're welcome.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too.